Good morning, one and all. Myself, Rajita. I'm a mathematics faculty. Today, I'm going to explain one of the topic in logarithms. What is the actual definition of a logarithm? Logarithms. Okay. What is the actual definition of a logarithm? And what is the common logarithm? And what is the logarithm and its properties? And what is the, first of all, definition of a logarithm? After common logarithm and its properties, and lastly, what is the characteristic and what is the mantissa? Okay, first of all, what is the definition of a logarithm? Logarithm is nothing but, for example, a power x is equals to n, then x can be defined as logarithm of n to the base n. A power x is equals to n, then x can be defined as logarithm of n to the base n. And what is the common logarithm? Common logarithm is nothing but, the logarithm with the base 10. Logarithm with the base 10. Base 10 is nothing but common logarithm. For example, logarithm of 400 to the base 10. Here is base is what? 10. So this type of logarithm is nothing but common logarithm. So here, listen, one note point. If base is not written in logarithm, base is not written in logarithm, it is assumed base 10. If base is not written logarithm, it is assumed base 10. Okay. So what is the logarithm and its properties? First properties, logarithm of 1 to the any base is 0. Okay, a power 0 is equals to 1. That implies 0 can be written as logarithm of 1 to the base n. Similarly, next property, logarithm of ab is equals to logarithm of a plus logarithm of b. Next one, logarithm of a by b is equals to logarithm of a minus logarithm of b. Next one, next property, logarithm of a to the base b is equals to logarithm of a by logarithm of b, or 1 by logarithm of b to the base a. Next one, logarithm of a power m is equals to m into logarithm of a. Next one, logarithm of a to the b power n is equals to 1 by n logarithm of a to the base b. Next one, logarithm of a power m b power n is equals to m by n logarithm of. Okay. Next one more property, logarithm of a to the base a is always 1. These are the main properties of logarithms. Next, what about common logarithm, definition of common logarithm over, next properties over, next what about characteristic and mantissa. Characteristic and mantissa. So what is the characteristic and mantissa? For example, here is a logarithm of a positive number. Logarithm of a positive number consists of two parts. Logarithm of a positive number consists of two parts. One is integer. One is integer either positive or other part is positive. Other part is a positive fraction. positive fraction or 0. Other part is positive fraction or 0. For example, let us observe logarithm of 153.2. That value becomes 2.1853. Okay, this value, logarithm of 153.2 value becomes 2.1853. Here is which contains two parts. What are they? Two parts. Here is 2 and 0.1853. This 2 is nothing but characteristic. 0.1853 is nothing but mantissa. See, integral part of the value of log x is characteristic. Integral part of the value of log x is characteristic. And positive fractional part is nothing but mantissa. Here is integral part. Here is positive fractional part. This is nothing but characteristic. See here in this 2 is nothing but integer part, and 0.1853 is nothing but positive fractional part, that is nothing but mantissa. So how to calculate? Next one, how to calculate of characteristic. How to calculate of characteristic. Let us observe how to calculate of characteristic. Here, characteristic is a logarithm. Logarithm. Characteristic of logarithm of a number always greater than 1. That is equals to, observe the formula, number of digits in the integral part minus 1. Next, for example, this is first case. Next case is characteristic of logarithm of a number lesser than 1. For example, here is, what is the formula? Minus of number of zeros in the number immediately after the decimal point plus 1. This is the very, very important formulas. For example, let us observe logarithm of 4.12. That is equals to 0.6149. Here is 4.12 is greater than 1. Here is 4.12 is greater than 1. Yes, okay. So 4.12 is greater than 1. Here is logarithm of one more 41.2. This value here 4. Number of digits in the integral part 1. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. That is the characteristic. 0.6149. Here is number of digits in the integral part 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 point. Here 41.2 is also greater than 1. Here also 1.6149. Next one more, logarithm of 4120. Here is number of integral parts 4 digits. 4 minus 1, 3. 3.6149. Okay. Here next logarithm of 0.0412. Here observe clearly. Here number of digits. Here is 0.0412 is always less than 1. Here is what? Number of digits in the integral part. Here is less than 1. Minus of number of zeros in the number immediately after the decimal point plus 1. Immediately after the decimal point, here how many? Here minus 1. Immediately after the decimal point, here is minus 2. 2 power 0.6149. Okay, minus here next logarithm of 0.00412. Here immediately after the decimal point 5. 1 2 3 4. Here see here minus 4. That is 4 bar 0.6149. Okay, next how to finding mantissa. How to find mantissa. how to find the mantissa. Here mantissa is nothing but in logarithmic table, the mantissa of logarithms of from 10 to 99 with base 10 are given by knowing the mantissa. The logarithm of number can be easily determined, very easily determined. Logarithm of 1055, that is equal. So here is 3 is the characteristic. Here is number of digits is 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3.0233. Next, for example, which is in the form of here n is equals to m into 10 to the power 3. Here m is a real number between 1 and 10. So n is equals to, for example, n is equals to 123.5. That is equals to 1.25 into 10 to the power 2. In this is nothing but m. Here 2 is nothing but integer. Here is a real number between 1 and 10. Here is 2 is the integer. Here is logarithm of n is equals to log, apply log on both sides. Log AB form, log m base 10 plus logarithm of n, here also base 10, logarithm of p base 10. Logarithm of m base 10 plus p logarithm of 10 to the base 10. Here is 10 to the power p. Okay. Here is logarithm of m base 10 plus p. 10 to the power logarithm of 10 base 10 is 1. Logarithm of n base 10 is characteristic. Logarithm of m base 10 is nothing but mantissa. Okay. Let us discuss some of the problems in this characteristic and mantissa. First of all, one of the problem, discuss characteristic and mantissa. What is the characteristic of yes. Okay, here find the position of significant figure. Find the number of digits. Find the number of digits. Find the number of digits in root 3 power 25. Here is given logarithm of 3 values also given 0.477 over 25. Here apply logarithm on both sides. Logarithm of x is equals to logarithm of root 3 power root 3 is 25 into logarithm of 3 power 1 by 2. That is 25 by 2 into logarithm of 0.4771. So multiplying this and divided by 2, the answer will becomes 5. Multiply 4771 by 2. Multiply 0.4771 into 25 divided by 2 is nothing but 5.96375. Here number of digits is nothing but 5 plus 1. 6 is the answer. Next, sometimes like this also given here. Logarithm of find sometimes here also asking the find the number of digits in 3 power minus 100. Here log 3 value also same here 0.46 power minus 100. Apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. This is equals to logarithm of 3 to the power minus 100 minus 100 into logarithm of 3, that is equals to minus 100 into 0.4771. So here minus 47.71 minus 47.71. Here is characteristic characteristic is integer. Mantissa, this can be written as minus 47 minus 0.71. Here mantissa is always positive. Convert mantissa is positive. Minus 47 minus 1 minus 48 plus 1 minus 0.71 is nothing but 0.2.29. Here is number of digits is minus 48 plus 1. Minus 48 plus 1. And number of digits is this. We are asking sometimes position of first significant figure. Position of first significant figure is 48. Next, one more problem. Let us discuss one more problem. Here asking to find the number of digits in 81 to the power 21. 81 to the power 21. Logarithm of x is equals to logarithm of 81 to the power 21. 21 into logarithm of 81. 21 into logarithm of 3 to the power 4. Here 21 into 4 is nothing but 84. Sorry, 84 into logarithm of 3. 84 into 1. Here multiplying these 40 point multiplying this 40.0764. Here number of digits is 41. Here position of first significant figure is 40. Here mantissa is 0.0764. And one more problem. Here asking to find number of zeros. Here asking to find number of digits. So here asking to find number of digits in number of digits in. Here asking to find number of digits in. One second. Here asking to find number of digits in 108 to the power 25. 108 to the power 25. Here x is equals to 108 to the power 25. Logarithm of x is equals to logarithm of 108 to the power 28. 108 2 5s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 7s are times 3 3s. 2 logarithm of 2 square into 3 cube. Then logarithm of x to the base 10 is equal to 2 square plus logarithm of 3 cube. Okay, then here plus 3 logarithm of 3, that is 50 logarithm of 2 plus 75 logarithm of 2 is 0.3010 plus 75 into 0.4771. Here is 35.8 plus 35.7825. This total value becomes 50.8325. Here number of digits 50 plus 1, 51. Position of first significant figure 50. First characteristic also 50. And mantissa is 0.8325. Okay, thank you.